Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. So in this video we will see how to write Python script for automation. Here I have one script which will fill one form automatically with these required details. So if I run this script, let's see how it will fill the form. See here, it is entering all the fields one by one and then it will also submit that form. So let's see how to generate these kind of script so that we can automate any task. So first thing that you will need, you have to install the pip. So pip tool is very important for installing the packages. If you don't know how to install pip, you can watch other videos on our channel. So pip install. So first package that we will need is Playwright. After that, installing Playwright, we have to install one Chromium browser. So Playwright install Chromium. So it will install one Chromium browser for the automation process. Now we have to generate the code. We have to generate the script for automation. So for that, use Playwright and then CodeGen. So it will open one browser window and one code window. I will align these two windows side by side. So here I am having one code window and here I am having one browser window. Let's visit any URL. So if I visit this URL, I have one form on this URL. So you can visit any website, any form or any interface which you have to automate. So here on the right hand side I have code window. So whatever I am doing on this page, it will get recorded in the code window. So if I enter my name, it will record that field. That we have to fill the name in the text box which is called as name, then email ID. See, the things on right hand sides are changing. Whatever I am doing here, it is recording those steps. Right. So now all these steps are recorded on the right hand side. So if I click on submit, so one last event, on click event on submit button. So stop the recording and copy this script and let's test this script here. I run this script and now see the magic. See, it is filling the form and it is also closing the window. So now if you have to see the steps clearly, you have to import one more package, time. So import time and here you can wait for some time. So time.sleep. So I will wait for 1 second here so that I can clearly see the filling animation. So time.sleep 1 second. So here I'll make it wait time.sleep 1 and before clicking on the submit button also we will wait for 1 second. Now see, so in this way you can automate any task. Suppose if you have to register multiple users or you are having one registration form template, so on that if you have to enter the details from the Excel, you can pull the data from the Excel sheet and you can fill that data into the forms one by one. So in this way you can automate not only the form structure, you can automate any element from the web page. Or this is very useful in ERP systems, in data entry systems. So in For the next videos, we will see how to automate different tasks using Python programming. So if you are having any query, let me know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.